In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the beautiful square mesh stitch. This open lacy stitch uses just chains and double crochets, making it easy and quick to learn and work up. It's also quite stretchy, making it perfect for clothing. Let's grab our yarn and hook and let's get started. Start with a slip stitch and then chain an even number of chain stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We'll just do a short little row. It's a really easy stitch, so you'll get the hang of it quickly. Now do 1 double crochet into the 6th chain from the hook. So don't count the one on the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're going to do a double crochet into that stitch. There's our first mesh hole. Now we're going to chain 1, skip 1, and double crochet into the next stitch. That's what we have so far. And continue across the row. Chain 1, skip 1, double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, double crochet. Lucky we've done a short row. We're nearly there. Chain 1, skip 1, double crochet. And we're at the last one. Chain 1, skip 1, double crochet into that very last chain. And there's our first row. For the second row, turn and chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This counts as 1 double crochet and 1 chain. Double crochet into the top of the double crochet from the previous row. And now we have our familiar pattern. Chain 1, skip 1, so we're skipping the gap, and double crochet into the top of the previous double crochet. Chain 1, double crochet into the top of the previous, and continue that to the end of the row. At the end, you will chain 1, and your very last double crochet is into the 3rd chain from the previous row. So that will straighten up the edge. There we go, there's our second row. It's a 1 row repeat, so just repeat row 2 for as long as you want. And that's how easy mesh stitch is. There's row 3. Here's a little sample I did earlier out of a DK and a 4mm hook. Once you have the basic stitch done, you can make variations. This is my mesh scarf, and here I have done 2 chains between each double crochet. This opens up the mesh and gives more of a square look, whereas where we did it before, the boxes looked a little more rectangular. You can even vary it up to 4 or 5 stitches if you want really long boxes. Thanks for watching and see you next time.